Hi, and welcome to this demonstration of FyneDesk, a Linux desktop environment written in Go using the Fyne toolkit. We first released this to the world earlier this year, but the version that I'm using is 0.1.1, an updated release that was available a couple of days ago. Let me just start by showing some basic window management functionality. From the launch bar down here, we can open our applications, and they can be maximized, which takes up all the available space apart from the widget panel we've reserved on the right hand side. You can iconify an application and bring it back up from the taskbar area there. And similarly, they can be hidden by clicking the icon that is the topmost application. Also, if you wanted to watch something full screen, we could load such a thing as this YouTube video and dismiss it once again. Next, I'll use the application launcher, which you can access from the Applications button here, or using the Alt-Space keyboard shortcut. It allows us to search for all of our installed applications. And in this case, I will launch the Examples application from Fyne. Here you will be able to access various Fyne example applications that we've shown in previous videos. And with multiple applications open, you can Alt-Tab between them and work with the windows as normal. Next, we'll look at the various settings that are available. As with all Fyne applications, we could run it in light mode if you prefer that to the default dark. And we can change the scale of the canvas and the window borders. 2 works well for a high DPI display, or 1.5 if you prefer smaller fonts. This would default to 1 if you are working on a regular resolution monitor, but 2 works well for my setup. You can also change the appearance, specifying a background if you would prefer one over the default, which is a snapshot of Loch Fyne in Scotland. And we can choose our icon theme, such as this Fenza, which I quite like, and you can see that updates all of the icons across the desktop. Also, the app bar can be configured. I don't think that I need GIMP in there, so I'll turn it off. But I would like to add Slack, so I'll tick that there, and we can update the icons. And changing the order could be done here as well. If we put the terminal to the end, and you can see that updated. And lastly, the launcher settings can be used if you would prefer larger icons, or if you want it to zoom further, then you can see the effect here. That's perhaps a little bit large. And if you don't like the taskbar portion, you can turn that off and it becomes just an application launcher. Or disabling zoom is possible if you would just like static icons. We also have some advanced functionality working with display configuration and so forth, and more items will appear in here in the future. I hope that's been a helpful step through what's available in this current release of FyneDesk. Do come back later when we'll have more exciting features to show you, and we'll post a new video then. Thank you.